Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Tradovate. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for TradingView and then open the first link. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up and then press on brokers. Now choose any brokers and then press on learn more. Then press on trade. Close this pop-up and then press on trade here. And then show all, and then search for Tradovate. And that's it. You find Tradovate, you press on it, and then you input your username and password, and then you press on connect, and it will be connected successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.